pink it turned out. Wipe off your brush. God, it's so hard to do. Make sure the Instagram can see it. Perfect. I'm not using live ras. Yes, it's chisel. Live ras is chisel. I'm gonna cut using a X-Acto knife. Let me see if I can get closer. I can't see it from far away, but I'm gonna hold for 1 second. I'm cutting it. A really sharp cut. Hold on, let me see if I can get that fast and clean it really nicely. You can use your brush as well, but sometimes it's nice to have a X-Acto knife to cut and it's really sharp look. I think this looks really good. Put some clears on it. I'll pick some touch of color on my side right there. And crystal clears on the top. You see that how hot pink is gonna turn out. Oh, I expect that one to be like more pink. And just hold still because the powder is really like runny. Let it set. And you can cut another one. How everyone doing today? You can put any colors on it. I would think you can put this one like hot pink, but it looks like more like a red instead of hot pink. But it's good to check it out because I want to see how it's that look. Still really wet. But you don't want to cut it when it's too wet. but also you don't want to cut it when it's too dry. You can, instead of just cutting it, you can do it like an ombre. It looks good as well. I'm thinking pink, green, blue. Let's see how is this one turn out. You can use this, the same technique I shared with you, to do a V shape, like a French chevre, and all sort of different cool thing that you can do with. You know, when you're doing it on the client's real hands, like fingers, much better. Just black is right in the center, middle of the nails. Looks really good. I'm gonna cut right in between. You don't have to, but just in case you want them to be completely covered and balance it. Hey Sophia, how are you? Hey Mika, how are you? Sophia. It's good, so then you can have a little bit downtime and learning with me. Just kidding. Just stay positive vibes. Take good care of yourself, wash your hand, take good care of your family. That's all you can do. And pray. It looks weird, but this now looks stunning. Which is like, just show you how you can cutting a difference, like colors. You can do so many different colors. But look, this color turned out, this color is nice, which is I have it on, but then it turned out really dark though. I want a brighter one, just for your information. Okay, that is one set. Which one did I do?